So, good day, ma'am. We are Group 1. My name is Clarice Balyaran, and we are presenting our project titled Gabi Sakay. It is an IoT-based smart nighttime commuter safety and ride monitoring system. We first have the problem. So, the problem is nighttime commuting is common in Philippines, safety risk when traveling alone, poorly monitored roads and areas, family cannot track passengers in real time. So nighttime commuting is very common here in Philippines and especially for students and workers. However, many commuters face safety risk, especially when traveling alone or is in poorly monitoring areas. Like sa mga iskinita. And the families also have no way to track their loved ones in real time. That's our problem. Next is the current limitation. In this slide, existing applications mainly focus on ride and matching convenience. However, this application lack real-time monitoring and emergency alert systems. Most commuters rely, or I think every commuters now, or even us students, relies on calls or messages, which is not reliable during emergencies. So in this slide, we proposed a solution for our problem, of course. So our system uses, or to solve this problem, we propose Gabi Sakay. It is an IoT-based safety system. It uses GPS tracking and a panic button in case of emergencies. And unlike other app, it has real-time monitoring to ensure commuter safety and allow trusted contacts to the trip.
Here in slide 5 is we're gonna use React Native or Flutter for the mobile app, and the ESP32 is for the hardware device. This is gonna be the foundation of the system para mabilis and stable ang pag-process ng data. So here in slide 6 is pinapakita on how or paano ipapadala ng IoT devices ang GPS data sa backend server via internet. Then after, ipaprocess siya ng server para i-update ang real-time location and to alert sa mobile app ng user. And the slide 7 is ang main features ng system is the real-time ride tracking and the emergency alert system for the safety of the user, because nowadays it's too dangerous and for the na rin ng user na makakapag-send sila or may parang notification na maipapadala sa family or friends if endangered sila. So, and it also magbibigay siya ng notification para alam ng user kung malapit na ba yung sasakyan nila sa kanilang location. So, here in slide 8, this is our Figma prototype that will show the actual design ng login screen and tracking interface. Dito makikita kung gaano ka user-friendly ang flow ng app namin, which is the Gabi Sakay. So that's all.
Our system aims to achieve GPS accuracy within 5 to 10 meters, send alerts within 5 seconds, and provide real-time updates. This will help improve commuters' safety. So in conclusion, Gabi Sakay improves nighttime commuter safety through IoT technology. It is a practical and feasible solution that provides real-time monitoring and faster emergency response. Thank you.